Today I'm going to show you how to make coleslaw, or rather the KFC salad that you normally take. So I'm going to use some cabbage. These are chopped. Yeah, I'm going to use 2 carrots. I'm going to use some creamy milk. Yeah, and this is my mayonnaise. Yeah, this one you can refrigerate and use in any other recipe that uses mayonnaise. So let's get into it. I'm going to chop these into smaller pieces. Yeah, I chopped it into nice pieces, but I'm going to chop it into rather smaller pieces than this. Yeah, and then put my cabbage in a bowl. That I'm going to use a white onion. Yeah, these I'm going to chop into smaller pieces. Dice your onions into circular pieces, small and circular. You're not limited to the type of onion that you use, so you can actually use any other the red onion, but I prefer using this one. Yeah, so just chop it into very tiny, small pieces. Yeah, so these I'm going to add directly into my cabbage. Yeah, then to my carrots. I'm going to grate my carrots. This is just to give my salad some color. Yeah, here's my grated carrots. So I'm just going to add it in here. I'm going to add my milk. This is 100 milliliters. Then I'm going to add my mayonnaise. This is 1 cup. If you don't know how to make mayonnaise at home, revisit my previous video. The link is in the description down below. Yeah, so that you know how to make a mayonnaise recipe at home. Yeah, for this recipe I'm also going to add a tablespoon of sugar. I'm not going to add salt. Then mix this well. Stir very well. You can add vinegar at this point or some lemon juice. I'm just going to add a pinch of lemon juice.